here's why. Can I do 1 piece of avocado toast, please? Medium cold brew with the unsweetened coconut flavor, please. Okay, so last year about this time, I did some garden tour videos in the different stores, like the garden center stores, and I got a really good response from it. And I had somebody specifically request that I do one of these again. I already got my workout in for the day. I took a protein shake. I got my carbs and my fat from my avocado toast here from Dunkin', and of course, my coffee. So we're gonna run into Lowe's today. I have not done any garden shopping yet. Today I am looking for a few specific things though. So I really need to grab some lilac bushes. There's going to be an area in the front of our house where I'm going to be adding in a bunch of lilacs. So if they have a couple of those, I'm going to grab those today. And I'm also looking specifically for a lemongrass start. I usually start almost all of what we grow vegetable wise and most like annual flowers from seed. But if they have some good starts in addition to the lemongrass, maybe I'll grab something, we'll see. But for the most part, I want to get lemongrass and lilac today. And it's still a little cold here in Minnesota to be getting flowers to put outside. But if something really strikes my fancy, I'll probably have to grab it. So let's go check it out. I love the smell of rosemary. Cucumbers and zucchini are like the big seeds are really easy to germinate. So I personally wouldn't buy these, but they do have them if you need them. Look at how gorgeous these strawberry flowers are. I've never seen these. I might need to get some of these. Considering I over mulched our strawberries last year and they still haven't come back. I think I saw 2 the other day when I uncovered the bed. So I should probably get some. We'll just get 2 for now. Haha, checking off my box, lemongrass. These are a big one though, which is great because then it looks like there's like 3 sections in here. So I'm really excited about that. Last year I made some lemongrass tea and it is so good. I also have someone who wants to buy my fresh lemongrass. And so I think if I should buy 2. Maybe I'll buy, well, I'll just start with 1 for now. Basil is also really easy to germinate and propagate. So I wouldn't necessarily buy this big one. Sometimes I'll buy a little start because I can easily propagate it. But I love the smell of basil too, and it's so versatile in different foods. So peppers are one of the ones that I would actually buy a start of, because in Minnesota, they just don't seem to do as well because they really like the heat. I'm not going to buy them today because my beds aren't ready for them, but they definitely are a start that I would possibly buy and have in the past. Tons of raspberries. Our raspberry bushes are insane. I don't need these, but they have them. Phlox smells so good. Oh my goodness. Seriously, this stuff smells divine. So they have a bunch of snap varieties here, and I grew some snaps last year and they stayed super short, so I think I need to like decapitate them when they're young to make them taller, but these are already taller than what I had last year. These are dianthus. These bloom all summer. I have some of these at my office and they're really pretty. These are so cute. I see them. Hydrangeas, and I love this waterfall. I want this. How much are you? Probably out of my price range. Those are usually really expensive. Some bushes. What are these? Oh, that's another hydrangea. That's a big one. What do those cost on these boys? $26.98. That's actually a really nice price for that big of a plant. We just recently took our first family vacation, and these remind me of vacation. I want some of these just for the memory. These are cute. So soft. Asparagus fern. Those look like something from Dr. Seuss. I've heard that Dusty Miller is good in fresh cut bouquets, but I've never grown it. I wonder how tall it gets. It's cool looking. Tons of Boston ferns, 2 for $24. That's a nice deal. Those are nice and full. These are one of my favorites that Lowe sells every year. They're so stinking cool. They're fuchsias. And they are so cool. And they're droopy, like they droop over the edge. I just think they're so fun. Azaleas. These are so beautiful. I wonder if those grow in my zone. Like perennialize in my zone. There's zone on there. Cold hardiness, -10 to -20. Not non-hardy in zones 1 through 4. Well, I'm in 4A, so I probably shouldn't give it. Love getting hibiscus. They're so pretty. This is such a pretty combo. Look at these together. They just look so pretty. I'm really interested in this clematis, but I don't see a price. I have one at home already that is this color, but I really want to get this color. I don't see a price, so I'm going to come back for that. I spotted the other thing that I needed. Lilacs. Well, these ones have a nice height to them already, and they've already bloomed, which I was not actually wanting, but oh my gosh, they smell so good. Look at those. Okay, so we have, where are you? Price? Oh, $26.98. I'll just get one. Alright, so I'm really proud of myself. I literally just bought the lemongrass, a lilac bush, and then the 2 strawberries. And I'm satisfied with that. There's a lot of great prices. Lowe's is my favorite of the garden centers, and here's why. There are the 3 like main stores that we think about when it comes to like garden centers or home improvement stores is Lowe's, Menards, and Home Depot. Well, at least here in the Midwest. I don't know if that's across the nation or what. But Lowe's is specifically actually formulated for women to navigate. Menards is for the contractors, and Home Depot is for the do-it-yourselfers. So while they're all pretty interchangeable, they are kind of targeted towards a specific audience, which makes sense because my go-to is Lowe's. So thanks for shopping with me today. Have a wonderful, blessed day.